Hello class, we are going to start with a new topic, that is index numbers, and there are two methods to find index numbers. First one is fixed base method and second one is chain base method. So for fixed base method, the basic condition is the base year always remains fixed or constant, and there could be two other ways to do it. There could be a question where single year is given, that you have to take it as a fixed base, or there could be several number of years that you have to take it as the fixed base. So here we are going to do with single year fixed base. So the question could read as prepare index number for different years taking 2010 as base. So here 2010 clearly indicates that you have to fix this year as the base year, and this is the question up till here. So we can start with the solution part. So we can make the column of years, then prices here, then you have to calculate the index number with this particular formula. For calculating index number, or you can say price relative, price of the current year upon price of the base year that you're going to take into 100. So base year, it is already indicating that you have to take 2010 as base year. So for first year, that is 2010, the index number would be just 100, because current year is also 40, and if you are going to take the base also to be 40 into 100, that will be 100 itself. So next is 48, and this is our base year, that is 40 into 100. So this will be 120. Next 46 upon base year into 100, this will be 115. Next is 52 upon base year into 100, this will be 130. Next is 50 upon 40 into 100, this is 125. Next is for multi-year average base, where you have to take the average price of few years as the base year. For example, the question says calculate the price relatives taking average price from 2010 to 2012 as base year. So you have to calculate the base year first of all. So you can calculate the base year by taking the average of the prices given for 2010, 2011 and 2012, that is 44 plus 49 plus 57 divided by 3, and this would be 150, this would be 50. So this is our base year that we have calculated. So here by putting in the same formula, we can get it by price of the current year upon price of the base year into 100. This is coming to be 88. Then next is, this is coming to be 98. Next is for 57, this is coming to be this. So this is how you can calculate for multi-year average basis also. So here, as you can see here also, we have kept the base as constant. So next method is chain base method or link relative method. So the question could be prepare chain base index number from the following data. So this is our question. So here the base will always keep on changing, and the base you are going to keep as the price of the preceding year. So here in the first year in 2010, we don't know about the preceding year's price, so just we are going to keep it 100. Next is price of the current year upon price of the preceding year, that is 80 into 100, this will be 150, and price of the current year upon price of the preceding year, that is 120 into 100, this will be 110. Next is 264, price of the preceding year, into 100. This will be 200. Next is 396 upon 264 into 100, and this will be 150.